Hello, so today we're going to dive into the world of product variants. So, for the product variant to appear, so a product variant is, for example, a product has different attributes in terms of color, in terms of size, and so on. So, for this to happen, I have to go to the inventory app, then to the configuration, and to the settings. Then I need to activate the variants. So because it comes with the database when it is not activated. So this is when if you want in your database to have the variants. So hello and welcome to our next video. So today we are going to dive into the product variants. Product variants is where a product have different attributes and variants, for example, in terms of size and colors. So for me to activate the variants or manage variants, I'll go to the inventory app, then configuration and then settings. Now from the settings, I'm going to scroll down until where we have variants just here. So from where the section of products, I can go to allow variants as you can see and the attributes. And once I allow this, I'm going to just save it and then it's going to appear here. So for me to be able to manage this, I'm going to click on the products and then we have some of the products that we have added in our database. So go to just bacon burger. From here, I'm going to see the attributes and variants. So at the moment, we have these variants, fries, Belgian fries, and so on. So for me to configure them back, I can just click this configure and I can choose. So as you can see, when it comes with fries, it has an extra cost. But for the rest, there's no extra cost. If I would want to change that, I just click on that and I'll just add how much is that. So if this product variant is used to different products, then I can say, and I would not want to add additional extra price, then I can just say it is excluded from. Then once I click on add, I can choose that product that uses this attribute. So, for example, let me just go and add another variant, and in terms of size. So let me just come here and I say size, for example. So I'm going to just click on that, and from there, so let's say burger size. So just to add a new one so that we can see. So once I click on that, then we have different ways of display. So we have the radio for choosing. We have the pill. Pill is what we have just added with this first one. We're going to see how it looks like. So I'm not going to choose it like this for now. I'm going to choose like select. Select is where we're going to select. And then we have like how you can go to choose in color or multiple checkpoint. So variant creation, as you can come and see, that all possible variants are created as soon as the attribute and its value are added at the product. So these are instantly. But dynamically, each product is created only when it is corresponding attribute and values are added to the sale order. So it means this cannot be added not until the product that has the attribute has been added on the sales order or the point of sale. So never means variant are never created for the attribute. Not. This cannot be changed once the attribute is used on a product. So it means once we add this one, then we put these configurations. Then once we add it on the product and the product has been used, we can never come and change this. This is added only once. Then once I come here to the attributes, I can add them. So let's say I add the first one, it's going to be the size XL. And then if I want a free text or extra cost, I can always add that. The other one, I'm going to add it as large and then small, for example. So once we have this one, I'm just going to save and close. And once I do that, I'm going again and to choose all of them that I've just added there. So I'm just going to choose them like this, and then I'm just going to save. So it means now when I go to the point of sale, excuse me. So when I go to the continue sale, I'm opening the app, the point of sale. So when I come to the bacon bagger which we have been creating, as you can see there, we have the first one which has the radio selection, and for the fries it has like an addition $5. But for the rest, they are just like how much once you buy so for this bacon burger for $17.83, then it means you're not going to be added any extra cost. But for this one, it's going to be added $5 because we added this variant as like this. Then we have burger size. As you can see, we added it as a select button earlier. We for this one we added as a peel. So remember, we have the difference in terms of selecting. We have peel and then we have the select, as you can see. And then we have another one for multi-select and other. So this is how you can go to manage attributes and so on. So once I choose the attribute, it gives me like how much I have in my quantity. So thank you so much for watching and see you.